Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to hard reset your Roku remote. This can be especially helpful if you're having issues with it connecting to the TV, to the Roku TV, or whatever. It's real simple. There's two types, but there's two types of remotes, but basically it's the same. What you want to do is, first of all, you're just going to remove the batteries from your remote. Now, once you've removed the batteries from your remote, you can go ahead and just unplug your TV. And then what you want to do is plug your TV back in, let it start up, and then put the batteries back in your remote. Now, it should reconnect automatically to your TV. Now, in the case that it doesn't connect to your TV automatically, I'm going to show you right here, down at the bottom right of your remote, you have actually a pairing button. So if the remote does not automatically find and pair with your TV, you can go ahead and push and hold the pairing button and then follow the prompts on your TV to get it repaired. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.